This is Chance, my very serious sous chef on deck patrol, keeping an eye on the neighbors and the smell coming from the kazan. Today we're making our rendition of pilaf or plov. And as you can tell, we started when the sun was up. It's a very involved dish, so now we're wrapping up and it's already dark. Starting with a generous amount of olive oil, like whole bottle generous, then lamb and oxtail. Next, onions. Traditional plov uses about a 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratio of onion, carrot, meat, and rice, but we doubled the meat. Let that brown and get some real color before moving on. In go the carrots. They'll cook down and sweeten everything. I said 2 tablespoons of salt, but it may have been an optimistic estimate. Chance checks in again, quality control. Everything's still looking good. Now for the spices. Zira, which is just whole cumin seed, not the ground stuff, plus a bit of coriander and paprika. Every region does it a little differently, but the soul of plov is cumin. Barberries go in next. They're tart little bursts that cut through that richness. And of course, whole heads of garlic and a few hot peppers. Rice, rinse it until the water runs clear. Patience really pays off here. Quick intermission for the sunset. Plov takes time, so might as well enjoy the view. Once the base is ready, pull out the garlic and peppers. We'll add them back later so they don't break apart. Spread the rice gently over the top. Don't stir, just smooth it out so it cooks evenly. Add hot water to cover. Then the old trick, a bowl over the top to let it steam. Poke a few holes for the vapor to escape. It's part science, part superstition. Cover and let it do its thing. When you lift the lid, it should look like edible gold. Moment of truth, a mountain of plov ready to be demolished. It's ready. So that's our plov. Smoky, rich, a little chaotic, but totally worth the wait, and Chance approves.